Tricky Tech. Today I will tell you how to change or hide the data behind a photo. There are three easy steps by which we can hide our data as you are seeing. First, open the Google and download the app named JPG File Binder from the Google. Then open it. As you are seeing on the screen, it look like that as you see that. Then click on the picture option. Add the image which you want as I am taking a picture as like that sample picture I will open. Then I will select this picture. Then open the data which you want to hide as I am showing you that there. I will select computer in which I will open my folder and movies. Sorry, memory. I will open memory and I want to hide the folder backup. Then we have to add it to backup.rar. Then the process will become start. When this will complete, it will convert it into a RAR file. The process is going on and the backup folder is going to be converted into backup.rar file. It will take several minutes to complete because there is enough memory uses. At the time of that, we will minimize it and check that this is running, and we have to check compressed file. We have to click on the compressed file. Then we have to select a compressed file as I will show you. I will select my folder, then memory, and there is a backup, the RAR file of backup name. Then we have open it. It will selected as compressed file. Then we have to go on output picture file. We select output picture file, the same photo which we have selected for viewing. Going to picture option, sample image, and the picture which we have to convert it. Then our whole work will be completed and we have to click on OK button. Then you have seen a message that your file has been binded. So it is binded to the photos and all your data become hide before the photos. So if you want to see it, then press OK. Open WinRAR as I am showing you there. I will open WinRAR. Double click on it, it will open. Then if we want to open it, we have go to the folder which we have selected. I will go in that folder, computer, my folder, movies. I sorry, we have to go in memory. In memory, we open the backup which we have created backup. Then we will stack here. If we stack the file, press OK. Then the process will start running. It will be extracted. Then we have to click on it. Open with WinRAR option will come. We click on it. Then we have opened it. There is different files as you are seeing that in a single file. In a single photo, there are different types of app which I have been find. I have bound these apps. Nobody will able to see it by the photo. If you want, if you will open this photo, then you see that as I am showing you which photo I have selected. Going to sample picture, the photo was this hydrus.jpg. If we open this picture become open, but behind this picture there is a option. If we have selected add to archive, we have add it to archive. The process will run, and after that the folder has been created named hydrangeas.jpg as you are seeing that. This is the folder. When this process will end, you have been able to see your all the data which you have binded. The data is going to be binded, 94% become completed. A small one. It become completed. Then you will click on the stack file जैसे as their hydrangeas.jpg. Then click on it. Open with a WinRAR. Now you see the photo as like that. When you will click on it, this photo will open, and in the same photo the whole data will be binded. So thank you. Please subscribe, share, like my page.